Today I am making a blueberry lemon pound cake, starting with 2 cups of sugar, granulated sugar. To that, I'm going to add my lemon zest. I used 2 very large lemons. I'm going to leave some back for garnishing. You're going to work this into the sugar before adding or room temperature butter. Okay. Let's add 1.5 cups of room temperature butter. Get all this butter off. Now let's cream or sugar and our butter. This is what we're looking for. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Creamed butter. Now we're going to scrape down the side. And we are going to add our eggs. 1 egg at a time. Scrape our bowl down again. Let's add our vanilla. Also add, that's 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 6 tablespoons of oil, I'm gonna add 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to combine these, make sure it's mixed evenly. Now we are going to add our flour to our wet ingredients. Actually, I need to add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. That's half, and that's another half. Make 1 tablespoon. Let's mix this in, and then we'll add our dry ingredient. Okay. We are going to start with the dry ingredients. So we start with the dry. Give that a little mix, then I'm going to add my sour cream. Okay. Total of a cup of sour cream I'm going to add. Whoa. Okay, let's scrape down the side of the bowl. Now let's add the rest of my flour. Okay. We do not want to overmix our batter. Finish it off by hand just to make sure there are no lingering flour. Okay, now let's get our cake in the pan. I am not using fresh blueberries because I don't really like the whole blueberries in my cake. So I'm going to be using some blueberry compote. This goes into the oven for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, and that depends on your oven, so check it for readiness, and that is by sticking a Q-tip or a cake tester in there, and if it comes out clean, then you're good to go. So into the oven we go. Oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Okay, let's turn our cake out. Let's say a prayer, because those of us who know. So I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Woo. All right, we're gonna let this sit out to cool. This is a beautiful, beautiful cake. Okay, let's add our glaze.